येवकार हा समृता खणगावकर. सुरेखपळ्याचे हेडलाईन्स. केबल ऑपरेटर सरकारी पोल वापर शुल्का खातीर तयार. गांवगिऱ्या वाठारा खातीर दरात कपात करपाची मागणी केल्या केबल ऑपरेटर असोसिएशनान. म्हापसा सापडली अनोळख्याची कूड सापडली हुफेताना. पुलीस करतात तपास. वास्को ग्रँड आयलँडार उंचायेवयल्यान पडून सचिन नायक ह्या 37 वर्सां पिरायेच्या तरणाट्याक आयले मरण. आणि आता आयच्यो कोंकणी खबरो विस्तारान. केबल ऑपरेटर सरकारी पोल वापर शुल्का खातीर तयार आसात. गांवगिऱ्या वाठारा खातीर दरात कपात करपाची मागणी केबल ऑपरेटरांनी केल्या. ऑल गोवा केबल टीव्ही नेटवर्किंग अँड सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडिंग असोसिएशनान पत्रकार परिशदेत दिली माहिती.
ऑल गोवा केबल टीव्ही नेटवर्किंग अँड सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडिंग असोसिएशनान वीज खांबे वापरपा खातीर शुल्क भरपाक तयार आशिल्ल्याचे सांगले. पूण केबल नेटवर्क चलोवप वा इंटरनेट सेवा दिवप व्यवहार्य जावचे हे खातीर सवलत दिवपाची विनवणी केल्या. केबल लायनी कापचे पयलीं वीज खात्या वतीन तांकां कसलीच नोटीस दिवंक नाशिल्ल्याचेय तांणी सांगले. कनेक्टिव्हिटी तोडपा खातीर खात्यान अचकीत केल्ले कारवायेक लागून उद्देगांक बरेच लुकसाण जाला. नोंदणी करपाक दिल्लो वेळ फावोतो ना अशेंय तांणी सांगले.
Today we went to Chief Secretary, had a meeting. We went to Chief Electric Engineer and Director of IT, where we had a very good positive reply from them. And we are happy about they will do something for us, for Goa. And I would like all our cable operators who are our members and who are non-members also, I would like them to join and be under one roof so that we can get the better offer from the government.
We wrote to electrical engineer that we want to pay the charges, but it was not accepted because of some difficulties of the electrical department. In the absence of any mechanism for operator to pay, we were not able to pay. And to challenge the order given to some other party, private party, we wanted that to be done by government. So after that, we were paying the charges, but we were not, our charges were not taken by the government. Now, as per the new guidelines which have come in April, these guidelines are applicable from 1st of January 2025, and as per this, we are ready to pay. We have stressed to Chief Secretary, Chief Electrical Engineer and IT Secretary that we want to pay the charges. We don't want to go. It is not that we won't pay. And as per the government guidelines, in April we are ready to pay, and these are the new charges made applicable by the government of India. It is viable to run the cable network or internet business in the state of Goa. We have, for last 1.5 years, we have given them form, but they could not act on that. Maybe due to some technical thing, and the form which was given earlier and given now are different. Yeah, we are following up.
We did it.
We have informed all the operators, concerned operators in our WhatsApp group. We are passing on the message, and we want everybody to do that. So we are in the favor of giving the forms to the IT, because they are the sole authority to issue the permission as per the gazette. Electrical department, when we met Chief Electrical Engineer, he said that we are putting the cables on poles in hundreds of meters which are waste, and because of that some linemen are not able to work. And in that manner we told them at least 5 or 10, technically if you want to join the fiber you need some 5 to 10 meters cable to be put on the cable. So he said you can tie it nicely and keep it on the pole, but don't keep rolls on the pole. That is affecting the working of linemen. So we agreed to that, and we request all the cable operators, ISPs to follow this and he said within next 15 days you better do it, otherwise when the deadline is complete they are going to cut all the cables which are stored on the pole.
गोवा 365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, गौतमी गांवकार आणि वैष्णवी साळगांवकार.
म्हापसा ग्रीन पार्क पुलाकडे न्हंयत एका अनवळख्या दादल्याची कूड हुफेताना सापडली. कुडीची वळख अजून पटूंक ना. पुलीस फुडलो तपास करतात. पळयात.
म्हापसा ग्रीन पार्क पुलाकडे न्हंयक एका अनवळखी दादल्याची कूड सापडल्या. ही माहिती उजो पालोवपी दळाक मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत तांच्यांनी घडणूक थळार धांव घेतली. उदकांतली कूड भायर काडली तशेंच पुलिसांक कळीत केलें. पुलीस फुडलो तपास करतात. आयकात उजो पालोवपी दळाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी दिल्ली माहिती.
8:05 आमकां म्हापसा फायर स्टेशनाक कॉल आयलें की डेड बॉडी फ्लोटींग जाता म्हणून ग्रीन पार्काच्या सायडीन ब्रीज आसा थिंगा. आमी इमिडिएटली टर्न आउट केला. हांव लिडींग फायरमॅन एस शेटगांवकर, HB परब, SP बाणावलीकर, A वळवयकर आनी वायर म्हणून हांगा येवन पळयलें जाल्यार तो डेड बॉडी फ्लोटींग जाताली. आमी इमिडिएटली कॉन्टॅक्ट पुलिसांक केले. पुलीस येयले. त्या बरोबर आमी भितर देंवले उदकान आनी ती डेड बॉडी जी फ्लोट जाताली ती वयर काडून पुलिसाच्या हँड ओवर केली. PSI पंढरी A चोपडेकाराच्या हँड ओवर केली. सर
काय खबर ना
डिटेल्स सर तेजें कोण आनी काय नांव बीन काय खबर ना सर. अननोन बॉडी साहेब सर ती
केन्ना बी कितें
एक्झॅक्ट काय खबर ना सर. काय खबर ना.
आतां भायर काडल्या
भायर काडून हँड ओवर PSIच्या दिल्या सर.
गोवा 365 खातीर नितीक्षा गांवकर, समृता खणगांवकर आनी मुझैफ शेख.
घेऊया एक ल्हानसो विसव. विसव उपरांत येवकार पळय फुडल्यो खबरो. वास्को ग्रँड आयलंड वाठारात 15 मीटर उंचाये वयल्यान पडून सचिन धनंजय नायक तारीबाट बोरी फोंडेच्या ह्या 37 वर्साच्या दादल्याक मरण आयले. ग्रँड आयलंडार नायक आपल्या इश्टा वांगडा पिकनिकेक आनी सूर्यास्त पळोवपाक गेल्लो. पळयात हिरू महालेचो रिपोर्ट.
काही फ्रेंड्स पिकनिकेक गेल्ले कडेन जे ग्रँडी आयलंड जे मुगा हरबरा कडसून लागीं आहा त्या आयलंडाचे काही फ्रेंड्स जे बोरी फोंडा सायडीसून गेल्ले आनी ते खंय तरी ते सनसेट आनी जो व्यू रॉकी हिला वयल्यान पळोवपाक म्हूण गेल्ले थंय तो एक मनीस जो 37 इयर्साचो सचिन धनंजय नायक हो खंय तरी रॉकी टेरेन आसलो जो फातरा वयल्यान जो सनसेट पळयताना ताचो खंय तरी पांय निचारलो आनी हो खंय तरी त्या दरीन पडलो. नियरली 15 मिटर्सची जी हायट आसली पडल्या उपरांत ताका मेजर इंजरीज जाल्यो आनी त्याच्या उपरांत ताका कासावली हॉस्पिटलान ताका बोटींतल्यान हाडून कासावली जे हॉस्पिटल आहा प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर थिंगा खंय तरी ताका शिफ्ट केला. उपचार चालू आसतना ते खंय तरी मरण पावल्लो आसा. फुडलो तपास जो आहा ते मुर्मुगांव हरबर करता पंचनामा चालू आसा आनी फुडलो तपास चालू आसा. पूण तशें तरी हे फ्रेंड जे रॉकी टेरेनाचेर गेल्ले जे फ्रेंड आनी जेन्ना ही इन्सिडंट घडलो तेन्ना तो सगळे फुडल्या उपरांत मरण पावल्लो आसा. तेन्ना जशे अशे जे प्लेसीसचेर वयतात तेन्ना जे ट्युरिस्ट जावं पिकनिकेक वयतात हेंच्यांनी तितली खबरदारी घेवपाची गरज आसा.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, समरिता खणगावकार आणि मुजेफ शेख.
GICAM या स्विस फाउंडेशनान GMCत दुसरे हात शस्त्रक्रिया शिबीर सुरू केला. आयज 4 शस्त्रक्रिया जाल्यो. तातूंत सुमार 50 दुयेंतींक फायदो जातलो. गोमेकोचो डीन डॉक्टर बांदेकारान पत्रकार परिशदेंत माहिती दिली.
संवसारीक पांवड्यार मान्यताय मेळिल्ले हँड सर्जन आणि मिशन मुखेली डॉक्टर मार्को आपल्या पंगडा वांगडा गोंय वैजकी महाविद्यालयान खाशेली हात शस्त्रक्रिया शिबिराचे फुडारपण करतले. शिबिराच्या पहिल्या दिसा पंगडान 4 अत्यंत गंभीर हाताच्यो शस्त्रक्रिया यशस्वीपणान केल्यो. डीन डॉक्टर SM बांदेकर हांच्या मतान GMCन सुमार 10% हाताच्यो शस्त्रक्रिया केसी येतात. ताका लागून आंतरराष्ट्रीय नामनेच्या सर्जनांची कुशळटाय गरजेची आसा.
For this press briefing, this is our second hand surgery camp with Goa Medical College as the host hospital, along with GCAM Switzerland, GCAM Foundation Switzerland. This time we have a bigger team of experts. We have 5 surgeons, 1 anesthetist who have come to treat our patients. Dr. Yuri, the head of plastic surgery department and department of orthopedics under me. We have selected almost 50 to 60 patients for this camp, and these are the rare cases of hand problems in our state of Goa, and we are going to do somewhat different kind of treatment. This hand surgery camp is the dream of our Honorable Health Minister, Shri Vishwajit Rane. He said we should have a center of excellence in the super speciality block so that we can deliver our best care to those needy people who are suffering from hand problems. Now normally you will say what is so great in hands, but you know there are certain diseases like congenital deformities of hand, then rheumatoid arthritis where people are not able to use their hand, and many patients we see in plastic surgery who are having the burns problem, post burns contractures of the hand, and there are nerve injuries which again requires the expertise, and these expertise are available with us during this camp. Today we have started the camp and we have already operated 4 patients. They are doing very well. They have just finished the operations and they have come for this briefing.
So this camp is the second visit to consolidate the collaboration between the 2 teams to open by the end of first half the hand unit in the super specialty block on the 7th floor, and we will have regular camps, and our experts will visit the premises regularly, and beside that we will also create a fellowship program.
Dr. Yuri from the plastic side, I think they have selected very interesting cases, very challenging cases, and I'm so happy that GCAM professionals might be helpful to solve those problems for the broader community of Goa.
गोवा 365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, गौतमी गावकार आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.
वेदांता सेसा गोवान 5वे अल्टिमेट बॅडमिंटन लीग घडोवन हाडला. पाटो पणजे 20 जानेवारी जर्सी अनावरण सुवाळो जालो. पळयात पुराय बातमी.
वांटेकार जाल्ल्या पंगडात एशर्स स्मॅशर्स, फ्लाइंग ग्रॅव्हिटी, एस रिक्वेटर्स, बॅडमिंटनर्स, प्रायोरिटी टायटन्स, स्पार्कलिंग स्टार्स हांचो आस्पाव आसा. हे सर्ती खातीर 160 वयर खेळगड्यांची नोंदणी जाल्या. तशेंच ह्या पयल्या आवृत्तीन 15 भायल्या खेळगड्यांकडल्यान नोंदणी जाल्या. 2 दिसांचे हे सर्तींत गोंयच्या उत्तर आणि दक्षिण गोंयचे खेळगडे रँकिंग आणि नॉन रँकिंग हे दोनूय प्रकार वांटेकार जातले. 2021 वर्सा सुरू जाल्ल्या वेदांता अल्टिमेट बॅडमिंटन लिगान 750 वयर बॅडमिंटन खेळगड्यांक माची उपलब्ध करून दिल्या. खेळांचे उक्तावण 25 जानेवारीक म्हापशेच्या पेडे इंडोर स्टेडियमान जातली.
It's truly a pleasure to be here today at the jersey unveiling of the Vedanta Ultimate Badminton League. This event is a celebration of the exciting collaboration between Vedanta and the Goa Sports Club. Vedanta has been a long name associated with transformative initiatives in sports. Their remarkable contribution to football in Goa have not only elevated the sports but also set benchmarks for effective partnerships between the corporate sector and the sports organizations. As president of the Goa Badminton Association I see this collaboration with Goa Sports Club as a significant milestone. While this partnership is specific to the VUBL, it also opens the doors to the larger possibilities of what such collaboration can achieve for badminton in Goa. This year is particularly special for us at the Goa Badminton Association as we celebrate our 60th anniversary, a diamond jubilee marking 6 decades of passion, dedication and progress. Our vision has always been to elevate badminton to greater heights, and partnerships like this are essential in making that dream a reality.
When we look at CESA Goa at large and even at Vedanta means in particular, we have got a very long association with sports. CESA Football Academy is something which is very well known within Goa and across country also. And over last 25 years, we feel that pride of giving 11 national players from CESA Football Academy and many number of players coming from Goa. So Goa is a fertile land, both in terms of when we look at the sports and the culture. Now, why sports? We very strongly believe that the ability what sports have to channelize the energy of youth.
This is my first entry for the VUBL. So all in all, it's our management skills come into play, managing 27 players. We have 5 outstation players, and once again, may the best team win.
Viraj Kamal, owner of Sparkling Stars and also the executive member for Goa Sports Club. Firstly, I would like to congratulate Praveen, Manoj and the entire team for coming up with this event. This is the 5th edition and Sparkling Stars have been part for the last 3 editions. Last year we were runner-up and this year we hope to win the title.
I'm the owner of Asher Smasher. This is my 2nd year as a team owner. Thanks to Mr. Praveen Shenoy that he keeps on dragging me every year as the owner, and I wish to continue to be there for the next year also.
गोवा 365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीज, समरिता खणगांवकार आणि मुझेफ शेख.
घेऊया एक ल्हानसो विसव. विसव उपरांत येवकार पळया उरिल्ल्यो खबरो. सायमन बरेटो मेमोरियल इंटरविलेज फुटबॉल सर्तीत फादर आग्नेलो YSC पारोडान जैत मेळयलें. पळयात कुट्टरे रंगिल्ली फुटबॉल मॅच.
कुडतरी DYSA खेळामळार जाल्ले मायना स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाचे सायमन बरेटो मेमोरियल इंटर विलेज फुटबॉल सर्तींत फादर आग्नेलो YSC पारोडान आर्ले यूथ असोसिएशनाक 3-0 अशा गोल फरकान हारावन सर्तीचे सेमीफायनलींत आपली सुवात निश्चित केली. गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप तुयेकार, गौतमी गांवकार आणि वैष्णवी साळगांवकार.
फाटले 24 वरांत गोंय सुके हवामान तिगून उरला. राज्यात पावसाची नोंद जावंक ना. पळयात हवामान विभागाचो अहवाल.
चडांत चड तापमान 34 डिग्री सेल्सियस आसतले, जे सामान्य परस 2 अंश चड आसा. उण्यांत उणें तापमान 23 डिग्री सेल्सियस मजगती उरतले. फुडल्या सप्तकांत सुकी परिस्थिती जाणवतली. सकाळी धुके पडूं येता, पूण हवामान विभागान म्हत्वाची शिटकावणी दिवंक ना. गोंयांत सुके हवामान. गोंयांत सामान्य परस चड तापमान. सकाळी धुके पडपाची शक्यताय. मंगळारचे तापमान 34 डिग्री आणि 24 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोवा 365.
आनी आयचे कोंकणी खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. मेळुया फाल्यां ह्याच वेळार पळोवपाक गोवा 365 मोग आसचो.